Shanxi Yaobang Environmental Equipment Engineering Company. It is a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized, refined, distinctive and innovative enterprise in Shanxi province, rooted in Daitang, Shanxi. The production base covers an area of 145,000 square meters. The annual production capacity of sanitation vehicles and equipment is 7,400 units, sets. The company has established the most complete equipment product line. It can produce environmental sanitation equipment of leading level, and emergency equipment, snow removal equipment, mining equipment, all kinds of products such as military supply equipment. It features leading technology, outstanding performance, and reliable quality. Shanxi Yaobang, the gathering place for high-end equipment, the builder of a green future. Real-time production status. Assembly line in full operation. Robotic welding in progress. Rigorous process ensures premium quality. Fully automated assembly. Yaobang sanitation vehicles ready to deploy. Yaobang craftsmanship, built for the city.